In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and adjust your GoDaddy website builder settings in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to website management or just looking to brush up on some basics, this guide will help you get everything set up just right. Let's start by opening up your favorite web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you're most comfortable with using. Once you're online, you'll need to head over to the GoDaddy website. It's a straightforward process, but if you're not already familiar with the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you're on GoDaddy's homepage, you'll need to sign in to your account. You have a few options here. You can use your email address, or if you're more comfortable, you can sign in with a connected Facebook or Google account. Choose the option that works best for you, and once you've entered your details, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Now, with access to your account, scroll down until you locate the website's Plus Marketing section. This is where you'll find all of your websites listed. Here, look for the website you want to manage and click on the Manage button placed right next to it. This will direct you to your site management page, where you can take full control of your website's features and settings. To start customizing, click on Edit Website, or sometimes you'll just see Edit Site. This will open the Website Builder interface, where you will be doing most of your work today. Once you're in, you should see a variety of settings appear. These settings include your basic information details, your social media links, and your favicon, which is the little icon that represents your site on the Browser tab. In this section, you'll also find options for search engine optimization, particularly the Get Found on Google settings, which are crucial for enhancing your site's visibility in search results. If you make any changes here, ensure they're aligned with your site content and target audience. You might also notice other settings options like Site History, which helps you track changes over time, and settings for a cookie banner, which is essential for compliance with privacy laws in certain regions. Don't overlook the integration settings for tools like Google Analytics and Metapixel. These are vital for tracking your site's performance and user interactions. Additionally, you have options for verifying your site using meta tags from platforms like Facebook and Pinterest, and even setting up monetization options through Google AdSense. And there you have it. Now, after exploring these settings, you should have a comprehensive understanding of how to navigate and adjust your GoDaddy website settings effectively, ensuring that your site is both functional and optimized for your audience. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide makes managing your website a breeze.